So you're here for the best Hostinger promo code. Whether you need hosting or a website builder plan, you can find an exclusive Hostinger discount code in the description below or in the comments section. Just click the link and you'll instantly find the best Hostinger prices. Right now, the Hostinger cost is very low, especially if you go for the best value subscription with my Hostinger coupon code. Just let me clarify that deals can change with time, so the numbers can be slightly different, but don't worry, the links in this video will always be updated and have the lowest price possible. Now, if we compare Hostinger price and value with some other best hosting options, it's clear that you get more for less. As far as the Hostinger plans go, my favorite is the business plan. It strikes that sweet spot where it's still super affordable, but has everything I need, not just for hosting, but building a site as well. It includes all the premium features, more WordPress hosting tools, more features of the Hostinger website builder, including e-commerce, a bigger website limit, daily instead of weekly backups, a free content delivery network, and more resources just in general. A reminder that you can get all that at the lowest price by clicking the link in the description or by scanning this QR code. So that's not all the Hostinger perks though. From my experience, it's extremely beginner friendly. Instead of the traditional cPanel, it uses its own hPanel. It's a more modern and beginner-friendly approach. It also comes with AI Website Builder, which builds a website for you in minutes, and then you can just edit it with easy drag and drop controls. And if you have the business plan, AI tools will make editing even easier. If you want to host or build a WordPress site, there are plenty of perks as well. There's a one-click WordPress installer, and Hostinger even has an AI website builder for WordPress. So no wonder Hostinger is recommended by WordPress creators themselves. And despite being affordable, Hostinger is also secure. It comes with DDoS protection, backups, and SSL. Performance is also not going to be an issue either, thanks to Lightspeed servers, caching, and a content delivery network in place. So it packs in pretty much everything you'd want and at an affordable price, which gets even lower with my Hostinger promo code that you're going to find in the description. That's all for this Hostinger coupon code 2025 video. Thanks for watching. Bye.